Access granted.
Man, does it feel good to be back. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be showing you guys how to cop the Jordan 12 University Gold. Now, if you guys aren't familiar, guys, obviously this is a hype shoe that is releasing this Friday the 24th, and it is going to be available in men's, grade school, and I believe in infant sizes as well. Now, the resale predictions for the men's size is going to be about 200 to 240 to 260, depending on if you're selling locally or if you're going to sell on StockX, GOAT, or even on eBay or whatever it might be. But anyways, the retail price for that shoe on the men's size is going to be $190 plus tax. Then I believe for the grade school it's $160 or $140. I can't really remember at the top of my head. But the resale prediction for the grade school is going to be between $180 to $200, maybe even $220, depending if you're local or you're selling to someone who has pre-orders and stuff like that. Another thing I want to mention, guys, I know I haven't been posting, but leave down below in the comment section if my tutorials for NSB and AIO have been helping. I did get a lot of messages on my Instagram saying that it has been working, and I also have some people saying that they started having some difficulty. So if there's any way that I can help you guys, make sure you guys go into my Instagram account and make sure you guys send me a message on my via DM at SellSneakerz, and I'll be more than happy to try to message back to you. And if I don't message back to you on there, you can always leave a comment down below on this video, and I'll be more than welcome to try to help you guys out. Anyways, guys, like back to the video, what I'm trying to say is we are trying to get the Jordan 12s today for retail, releasing like I said on Friday. So in order for you to do that, I know I'm already a little bit late, but Finish Line already released it, so that's out of the line. But if you guys obviously have the apps like Foot Locker, Foot Action, and I believe Champs, you still have a chance to get into it right now. So the first thing that you guys want to do to try to get in store is obviously go onto the Foot Locker, Foot Action, or Champs app, or all three if you're trying to get more than multiple shoes. And all you want to do is click on either the men's sizes, the grade school sizes, or the infant sizes. Then you're going to go to my releases, and it's going to be right there. Then it's going to say launch reservations, and then go to complete entry form. So once you get to the complete entry form, guys, all you want to do is click on the sizing that you want. So obviously I'm going to be going for the men's sizes since I am trying to get several. I'm not only just going for in-store, but obviously you guys know that I run bots, so I am going to be doing more live tutorials this Friday. So I do apologize for not posting videos this past month. I have been busy with my summer classes as well as my other job, and I'm not sure if you guys have been looking or paying attention to my Instagram page, but I actually got into option trading, which is involving the stock market. So I'm also in the process of trying to develop a website where I can help you guys for a subscription-based thing on how I get my shoes and how I can give you guys some great advice on the stock market, as well as any other methods that I like to do or give so you guys can have like a side hustle. So make sure you guys are aware about that stuff. I'm going to go ahead and leave my group Discord down below in the description. It's completely free for right now until I get my website running and stuff. Then once it's running, I'm probably going to be charging, like I said, between $20 to $25 depending on how I feel about this, but this is going to have like a lot of knowledge. Anyways, back to what I was saying. If you want to get in store, all you got to do is go to any of these apps, go to releases, go to launch reservations, click your size, and obviously you guys want to go ahead and pick on whatever size that you get. Select stores, any stores that are around you, and then you want to go ahead and add those timing things, whatever, that you get a head start, the head starts. If you guys aren't familiar with head starts, pretty much it gives you an opportunity ahead of others who don't have head starts, or points as I should say. Obviously with the new app and stuff, how it works, the more points that you have in build, the more of a chance that you are able to obtain the item. Now if you are not fortunate enough and don't have an account with them, you can go ahead and start now. If you want to start reselling, that's what I would recommend you guys doing. But if that's not the case either, you guys always have Friday morning to go ahead and go online. Now I did hear there's going to be a lot of mass production for the shoe, so there should be a good chance for you guys to cop at least 1 or 2 pairs. Now I do have pre-orders, so I'm going to be trying to go 10 to 12 pairs, and obviously I'll probably make a post if I do become successful, and I'll obviously be posting my live cop using NSB, Cyber, and AIO. So be on the lookout for that, guys. But I'll be making a quick tutorial right now on how to set up for NSB and possibly AIO right now. So make sure you guys enjoy this video. If this video helps, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. Before I get started into the tutorial on how to set up for NSB for the release on Friday, I just want to say a huge shout out to all you guys who have been supporting me. You guys really reached me to 1,800 subscribers. I'm literally so happy and excited to announce that I'm so close to 2,000. If I get 2,000 subscribers before the end of the year, I will do a shoe giveaway on my Instagram account at SellSneakerz. So please try to get there before the end of the year, and it will mean a lot to me. Anyways, let's get straight to the video. So first things first, guys, I like to always tell you guys to go to soullinks.com to see what websites are dropping the shoe. So here's a quick example on what website is going to have the Jordan 12 University Golds. Obviously, your better chances are probably going to be with the foot sites, depending on your speed connection and stuff. As you guys may or may not know, through my previous videos, I actually have my server or my bot onto my server. So these are the websites that's going to be right here, and then obviously you want to copy the style code, but sometimes that doesn't always work depending on the website and stuff. Like for example, I tried right now to see what the style code might be for this, but it didn't show it. So usually what I like to do is I'll click on a different one, and then usually if you're on that main website, you're going to click and copy this part of the portion. So right now I don't have it, but I'm going to go ahead and copy the style code because sometimes that's what it can be, or most of the time it is. So once I have the style code, guys, and I know what website I want to go to, I'm going to go ahead and open up my server really quick, which is already here. And all I want to do, guys, is go ahead and click on the champs, sporting goods. The SKU number is going to be that, so I just copied and pasted it. And then you want to have a lot of normal modes and restock modes, depending if you don't get the shoe or something, you go ahead and click on restock. But for this example, I'm going to go ahead and use normal mode. Then obviously, you guys want to click on the sizes that you want. So I already have my sizes that I want, so I'm going to go ahead and pick my personal size, which is an 8.5. Number of tasks, I'm going to go ahead and put 3 because not all the time I always hit on one of them. So I usually create several. And even if that's the case, I get a lot. I just usually sell locally, or I sell using StockX or Go, so whatever it might be. Then after that, guys, you just want to go to billing information, click your billing information that you created beforehand. And then in regards to this, you can obviously pick the proxy plan that you use. So obviously I would go for the data center one since I am on a server. So that's going to be number 1 since that's what I put it at. And then after that's done, you go to advanced. And sometimes what I like to do, I like to play with this on different tasks. I like to go ahead and put different speeds because sometimes if I get too fast speeds on the website, I actually do get banned, or my proxies get banned, I should say. So I like to kind of tweak this out a little bit and put like 4600. And the other ones I could put like 56. And whatever, just kind of like differentiate the stuff, because obviously, like I said, you don't want your connection being too fast, and then you pretty much get like a flag since they're noticing that you're sending several pings to that website and stuff like that. So just be on the lookout for that. You know, I'll mess around with this, put it to higher a little bit. And yeah, and obviously, guys, if you guys aren't sure about this, sometimes what I like to do is actually go for Shopify sites. I notice with Shopify sites, they don't have bot protection, so that's why a lot of people who have bots and stuff rather use Shopify website URLs. So for example, I'm gonna go ahead and say a couple. Let's see what they got. So I believe ShopSneakerz is a Shopify website, so that's probably one of the best ones that you can go ahead and get. And usually they don't really cancel your orders, so once you have it, you're pretty much set and done. And there's more other websites. I'll probably get it in my group Discord that I have. Obviously, I get early links and stuff like that. So if you are in my thing, you will be set. And if you aren't, like I said, make sure you join down below in the description to go inside of it, and then it's for free. So make sure you go check that out. Anyways, guys, it's pretty much the easy tutorial on how to set up. It's pretty explanatory and stuff. And if you guys aren't familiar with using NSB, make sure you guys go to my YouTube channel and then go check out how to use Nike Shoe Bot NSB full bot tutorial. I explain pretty much everything that I know about NSB, and hopefully with the results of this video helping you, hopefully you're able to cop this Friday. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching this video. It was quick and easy. If you guys have any other questions that I didn't answer, make sure you guys drop down a comment below, and I will be more than happy to answer them for you. Anyways, guys, thanks again for 1,800 subscribers, and let's keep on rocking. See you guys on the next one. Peace.